Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the powerful world of system monitoring using the Htop command in Linux. The Htop command is a fantastic tool for keeping an eye on what's happening inside your Linux system in real time. Let's walk through how to use it step by step. The first thing you want to do is ensure your system is up to date. We'll do this by running the command dnf update. This command checks for any available updates and installs them if necessary. Keeping your system updated is crucial for security and performance. Next, we need to find the Htop tool. We can do this by searching for it using the package manager. As you can see, Htop is listed among the search results. Now that we've found Htop, let's go ahead and install it using the dnf package manager. Once the installation is complete, Htop is ready to use. Finally, let's run the Htop command and see it in action. Here we have the Htop interface displaying real-time information about our system's CPU usage, memory usage, and running processes. You can use the arrow keys to navigate through the processes and various function keys for different actions. And that's it for today's video on using the Htop command in Linux. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Linux tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.